In this video, we're going to cover how to use Tripadvisor to rank better and increase your bookings. So I'll try to be as concise as possible with this one here. So let's break it down. Tripadvisor ranks listings using three main factors according to Tripadvisor themselves: quality, quantity, and recency of reviews. That means you need lots of good reviews, and you also need them often. Older reviews fade in value, so consistency here is key. Also, your rank is relative. You're compared to other places nearby, not globally. Optimization is also going to be key. Make sure your page is complete and updated. Clear descriptions, high quality photos, accurate location, and good pricing. Highlight what makes your place unique. Free parking, pet friendly. We've got free Wi-Fi. We're close to the beach. We're close to the shopping center or this attraction. Respond to every review, good or bad. It builds trust and encourages new guests to book. It shows that you actually care. Step 3 is to try and get those reviews. After checkout, ask your guests politely for a review while the experience is still fresh. Add a QR code at reception or follow up with an email link. That way you can, if not immediately get a review, remind people to review. The email can even just be thanking them for their stay, and that will just be a little hint of a reminder to go and write a review. Remember, more recent reviews, better ranking. Update your photos seasonally. Use Tripadvisor ads if your budget allows it. And keep your listing active. The algorithm loves fresh content. As long as you are delivering great service, collecting great reviews, your rank will rise naturally. That's how you grow on Tripadvisor. Optimize, stay engaged, and stay active. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.